This is the 2014 Gait Cabernet Sauvignon Reserve from the Stag's Leap District of the Napa Valley region of California. Stag's Leap District is one of the best subregions in Napa Valley. They make fantastic Cabernet Sauvignon, and we have a great one here today. There's so much depth and complexity here. You're getting really ripe, dark fruit character, things like blackcurrant, mulberry, black cherry notes. There's a nice oakiness to this wine, toasty mocha flavors, and a little bit of a spicy herbal aromatic, things like licorice, things like a little bit of a pine note, and that's coming through really nicely on the palate as well. So there's a coniferous pininess that is a nice herbal spice to this wine that we really love. It's got so much structure and depth that consider pairing this mostly with something with a lot of sort of richness and flavor. A warming beef stew is going to be perfect. If you want to get fancy, do it with a prime rib, but stick with red meat. It needs something with a lot of structure. Cheers.